Hello, my name is Jenelle Grosser. I am in a group with Shannon, Katie, and Conrad, and I'm going to be presenting on the pillars of collaborative action and investment in sustainability. The pillar of collaborative action focuses on organizations, stakeholders, and the community developing strategy and taking action towards a more equitable society. This collaborative process is aimed at using data and indicators to drive system-level and community-level change. During the exploring and emerging phases, partners commit to implementing a continuous improvement strategy in order to enhance outcomes on a community level. Organizers then reference independent data points along with input from the community. With this data and input, it is possible to identify the causation of inequities within a community. From there, a strategy for community-level results is identified and implemented. During the sustaining phase, partners discover indicators of change using a rapid cycle adjustment approach. These perpetual improvements help pinpoint core indicators of change. Next, strategies are implemented to address barriers to inequitable outcomes on a system level. This process, in turn, mobilizes the community to improve community-level outcomes. In the systems change phase, a variety of data is used by partners to continuously improve and implement strategy that accelerates outcomes for populations with consistent inequities. Co-development of solutions and collaborative action is taken between the organization and the community in order to sustain these outcomes. At the Proof Point Gateway, partners have met the first 4 benchmarks for systems change across all 4 pillars. When community and organizations are mobilized to influence practices and policies, systems transformation has been achieved. Other signs of system transformation include improvements in core indicators of outcomes, reduced or eliminated disparity gaps, and improvements across adjacent sectors. The purpose of the investment in sustainability pillar is to guide fiscal and civic sustainability throughout the community improvement process. Structures and systems are developed and implemented to ensure sustainability of outcomes. Partners, community members, investors, local and state leaders all work together to implement system and community level changes. During the exploring phase, a structure is outlined that will support day-to-day functions of the partnership. Participating parties identify what role they will play throughout the process. Partners engage investors that will support the collaborative work. In the emerging phase, the partnership has systems in place that can support daily management, data needs, facilitation, communication, and community engagement. Also, partners engage with local, state, and federal leaders who can influence policy to support the project. In the sustaining phase, partners develop a sustainability plan for operations and staff capacity. Ensuring the sustainability of operations allows partners to take action to change local, state, and national policy that will improve community outcomes. Then, funds are allocated to sustainably improve community-level outcomes. During the systems change phase, the project consistently builds capability and support for staff. Sustainable funding is established that encourages development and strategy. Actual changes in public and organizational policies are implemented that support community-level outcomes and reduce disparities. Public and private funds are distributed in order to support data-driven actions. Again, at the Proof Point Gateway, partners have met the first 4 benchmarks for system change across all 4 pillars. In the systems transformation phase, diverse staff and partnerships are built across multiple sectors, which builds the capacity to take action and create policies that support system change and advance equitable outcomes. Funding is aligned with the strategy to advance the goals of the partnership and the community. Thank you. Bye.